Are you tired of struggling with your wood projects, wishing you had a machine that could bring your ideas to life? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Carverall K15 Pro. The Carverall K15 Pro laser engraver, at $199.99, this machine caught my attention with its powerful 10W laser that lets you tackle a wide range of materials. If you want a versatile engraver that can handle everything from wood to metal, this is worth a serious look. The K15 Pro has a perfect A4 size, making it roomy enough for wooden signs or leather goods, while still being compact. You won't have to deal with the hassle of oversized machines, and the included 4 detachable heightening columns help you engrave taller items effortlessly. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual fans boost heat dissipation by 50%, ensuring stable performance during long engraving sessions. It can cut through 12mm plywood and 8mm acrylic with ease, perfect for DIY projects. One feature that genuinely surprised me was its 0.01mm precision, which is a game changer for detailed work like jewelry. With over 200 units sold in the past month and positive feedback from users, it's clearly a popular choice. But I have to be honest, some users complained about the setup process being slightly complicated. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial learning curve, the benefits far outweigh this minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking for a reliable engraver that grows with your skills. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest time in understanding the settings and features, but at $199.99, it's a solid investment for what you get. Now, if the K15 Pro's learning curve concerns you, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the Longer Ray 5 5W. The next on the list is the Longer Ray 5 5W, priced at $181.16. This machine impressed me with its high-speed performance and 0.08mm laser spot size, which allows for incredibly detailed engravings. If you're looking for precision at an affordable price, this product should be on your radar. The Longer Ray 5 features a spacious 400 by 400mm working area, accommodating larger projects without compromising quality. It reaches speeds up to 10,000 millimeters per minute thanks to its advanced 240 MHz ESP32 chipset, making it one of the fastest in its class. This means less waiting time and more time crafting. Plus, it supports various materials like wood, glass, and metal, so your creative options are almost limitless. Safety is also well taken care of, with emergency shutdown features and overheating protection. This is crucial if you're working on longer projects and want to avoid any mishaps. Given that it's been bought over 100 times in the past month, it's clearly gaining traction among DIY enthusiasts. Now, some reviews mentioned that the laser could be inconsistent at times. Here's my perspective. While this can be a concern, it's often a matter of calibration that most users can handle with a bit of practice. This is perfect for you if you value speed and precision without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a machine that's plug and play without any adjustments, but for $181.16, the Ray 5 offers fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are completely new to CNC machines. Product number 3, Genmitsu Kubiko. Coming in at $449.66, the Genmitsu Kubiko CNC router machine is a fantastic choice for beginners. What caught my eye here is that it comes ready to use right out of the box. If you want an easy entry into CNC without the hassle of assembly, this is a great option. This machine supports various software and even has automatic tool height adjustment, which means you won't need to fuss with manual setups. Just enter your material thickness and it does the rest, ensuring accurate carving every time. It's perfect for woodworking, drawing, and other creative projects. The 0.1mm precision is impressive, meaning you can achieve detailed results effortlessly. One feature I love is the safety enclosure design, which keeps your workspace clean and reduces noise. It's also equipped with the cover open auto stop function for added peace of mind. Users have praised its ease of use, especially for educational purposes, which is a huge plus for teachers and beginners alike. However, some users reported that it struggles with thicker materials. Here's the thing. This machine excels in precision work on softer materials, so if you're focused on those, you're in good shape. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or educator who wants a user-friendly machine that delivers dependable results. Skip this one if you plan on working with very thick materials often, but at $449.66, it's a solid investment for most users. Now, if the Cubico's price tag is a bit too steep, let's check out a more budget-friendly option that still packs a punch.
Product number 4, the Aliexpress 3060 Evo Max with a price of $729. This CNC router machine impressed me with its all-metal construction and dual steel linear guides, which promise durability and precision. If you're serious about metal cutting and want something that can handle a bit more, this is definitely worth considering. This machine features an 800-watt trim router that can easily cut through materials like aluminum and brass. The software-controlled functionality allows for easy speed adjustments and the capability to upgrade to a more powerful 1.5 kilowatt spindle later on if you need it. This means it can grow with your projects as you advance. The effective processing area of 300 by 600 millimeters means you have ample space for larger projects, and the precision of plus or minus 0.1 millimeters is solid for detailed work. It's also compatible with a variety of software, which adds to its flexibility for different projects. But let's be real, some users have mentioned it can be a bit heavy and challenging to move around. While this might be a drawback if you need portability, it speaks to its sturdiness and reliability when in use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a robust machine to handle both wood and metal with precision. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and portable, but for $729, you're getting a machine built to last. Now, if you want something that balances affordability with functionality, the last option on our list is worth a look. Product number 5, Two Trees TTC 3018. We have the Two Trees TTC 3018 CNC router, priced at $174.99. This little machine packs a punch with its 0.1 millimeter engraving accuracy and a speed of up to 1500 millimeters per minute. If you're on a budget and just starting out, this is an excellent choice. The TTC 3018 is compact, making it perfect for desktop use, and it can engrave a variety of materials like wood, plastic, and even soft metals. It supports popular software like ArtCam and Fusion 360, ensuring you can create without limits. This machine's ease of use is one of its biggest draws, as it can operate via USB or TF card. What frustrated me a bit was the limited work area of 300 by 180 millimeters, which can feel restrictive for larger projects. However, if you're focused on smaller tasks or prototypes, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who wants a straightforward, cost-effective machine for personal projects. Skip this one if you plan on working on larger items often, but at $174.99, it's a great entry point into the world of CNC machining. Now, let's wrap things up. To quickly compare all 5 machines, the Carveral K15 Pro and Longer Ray 5 are excellent for those seeking precision, while the Genmitsu Cubico is fantastic for beginners who want ease of use. The Aliexpress 3060 Evo Max is a sturdy option for metalworks, and the Two Trees CTC 3018 is a great budget-friendly choice. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Carveral K15 Pro because of its versatility and precision across materials. Avoid the Aliexpress if portability is a concern. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.